What is up, guys? Today is the second video, and today we're going to be testing which is better, gas four-wheeler or
an electric dirt bike.
All right, let's see.
Last time I checked, I'm still hot, real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cobb, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok.
First test,
Drag race.
all right, guys, so I'm going to get a head start because I have to shift. Ready, set, go! Oh, I missed it.
Those guys are better at fishing. The road is about almost 0.7 miles, about starting from here. So there and back is about a mile and a half. We'll be sitting here waiting our sweet old time. I would have been back by now.
So on this build, we got an upside down rear brake. It's a front brake, but I'm using it as a rear. We got a replacement throttle because mine got fried. Got some OEI grips. We got ignition cover. Oh, here it comes.
All right, guys, lastly, Leo is going to see if he can beat 3 minutes and what was it?
3 minutes, 4 seconds.
3 minutes, 4 seconds. If he can, I guess Dirtbike wins. Ready, set, go! Smells like Dirtbike's gonna win this. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Ultimately, we both tied with 3 minutes and 4 seconds. So they're both great vehicles, and I mean, I guess whatever floats your boat. See you next week.